Today we are releasing our first results from our nighttime pedestrian automatic emergency braking test. These systems are designed to prevent collisions between motor vehicles and pedestrians. Only 4 received a rating of superior. Over half of the vehicles either received only a basic score or no credit. We have been testing pedestrian AEB systems during the daytime since 2019, and they have been shown to be highly effective at reducing pedestrian crashes. Unfortunately, 3/4 of the pedestrian fatalities occur when it is dark. So if we're going to take advantage of this technology and have the greatest impact on pedestrian safety, these systems must work well at night. We have 2 scenarios that we test that represent a large number of real-world pedestrian crashes. We have an adult crossing the roadway, and we have an adult walking along the edge of the roadway. Both of these scenarios are run at 2 different speeds and under low beam and high beam conditions. We then evaluate how well the vehicle did in coming to a stop or slowing its speed just before striking the pedestrian. We had 4 vehicles that received a superior rating: the Nissan Pathfinder, the Toyota Camry, the Toyota Highlander, and the Ford Mustang Mach-E. The Nissan Pathfinder was the only one of those vehicles to avoid a pedestrian collision in all scenarios. The vehicles receiving no credit, our lowest rating, include the Toyota Tacoma, Honda Pilot, Nissan Altima, and Chevrolet Malibu. These vehicles did not slow at all or barely reduce their speed before striking the dummy in multiple scenarios. Quite a few popular pickups and midsize SUVs were not included in this initial round of tests because they do not include pedestrian AEB systems. This is disappointing because recent research has shown that these vehicles are more dangerous to pedestrians. Improving pedestrian safety is going to require a multi-pronged approach. We know that pedestrian AEB systems can make a big difference when they work well. Our new nighttime ratings program will ensure that these systems work when they are needed most.